There are 15 airport secrets airlines hope you never learn. Some save you time, some save you money, some are just flat out creepy. And at the end, I've got a bonus that'll change how you travel forever. Let's get into it. Number 1. Surveillance seating. You see an empty seat by the charging port. Jackpot. Phone's dying. Feet are tired. But you sit down in the wrong spot. You just entered a surveillance zone. Some airports place seats in view of hidden cameras and microphones. They're watching everything, from the way you move to what you type, even what you whisper. These aren't your typical security cams. Some have facial recognition, others listen for keywords. Think about that before you complain loudly next to TSA. They're not just smiling, they're listening. Number 2. Carpet trap airports are built to control you, not just with rules. With rugs, you move slower on carpet, and that's by design. It's called cognitive friction. The switch from tile to carpet tells your brain to relax. You become more compliant, easier to manage, less likely to cause problems. It feels soft, but it's a silent leash. And yes, studies back this up. Even the thickness of the carpet can impact your walking pace. So next time you stroll through a quiet terminal and start yawning for no reason, remember, it's probably the flooring. Number 3. Fountain filth. Security cleared. You're thirsty. You see the fountain. Free water, right? Maybe not. Some fountains are bacteria hotels. They don't get cleaned often. Mold, biofilm, germs. And that metal button? Touched by hundreds daily. Studies found that airport water fountains have more bacteria than toilet handles. Some are even resistant to antibiotics. Use refill stations if you can. Better yet, buy a bottle. Yes, it costs more, but it won't cost your immune system. Number 4. Passenger profiles. You might think no one knows who you are, but the staff knows more than you think. They get alerts for VIPs, frequent flyers, and troublemakers. Lost your cool once before? It's on your record. Flight attendants notice. Gate agents remember. Your reputation may show up before you even board. This is part of a profiling system designed to make security smoother, but it also means that one bad day could follow you for multiple trips. So stay cool, even when your flight gets delayed, because someone might be watching and taking mental notes. Number 5. Luggage intelligence. Your checked bag? It's not just scanned. It goes through a mini spy lab, explosives detectors, advanced X-rays, CT imaging, even shape and chemical analysis. The machines don't just see inside. They see through everything. That souvenir snow globe? They know what's in it. Even how it was packed matters. Unusual density patterns raise red flags. So while you're worried about weight limits, they're looking at molecular makeup. Number 6. Overbooking game. You paid. Got confirmation. Still no seat? Welcome to overbooking. Airlines sell more tickets than seats every day. Why? Because people cancel or miss their flights. And when everyone does show up, someone gets bumped. It's legal, it's cold, and it's driven by data. Airlines run massive algorithms that calculate show-up probabilities. But if there's a holiday rush, you might get kicked. Know your rights, ask for compensation, and never volunteer without negotiation. Number 7. Secret code phrases. If someone passes away mid-flight, you won't hear an announcement. You'll hear Jim Wilson or Operation Sunrise. These code words mean handle it quietly, keep people calm. It's not just for death either. Codes also exist for bomb threats, unruly passengers, and medical emergencies. It's all about perception. The goal? Avoid panic at all costs. So if you hear a weird message, trust your instincts, but don't jump to conclusions. Number 8. ATM fees from hell. Need cash near your gate? Those ATMs are booby-trapped. Crazy fees, terrible exchange rates, double charges if you blink wrong. Some people lose 10% per withdrawal. Bring cash from home, Or swipe a no-fee credit card. In some airports, the ATM provider is a third-party company that sets its own rates, and they bank on you being desperate. Number 9. Germ plane reality. You bored. Sit down. Tray table looks clean. Spoiler, it's not. Planes don't get deep cleaned. They get wiped fast. Real scrubs, maybe monthly. Pack sanitizing wipes. Wipe your belt, tray, armrests. Do it for future you. One study found E. coli and MRSA on seat pockets and tray tables. The seatbelt buckle? Tested worse than the bathroom flush button. Number 10. Airport food trap. That $14 sandwich? It tastes like cardboard. And costs like steak. Airport vendors charge more because they can. High rent, zero competition. Bring snacks, or budget for airport robbery. Even bottled water can cost $6. A small pack of gum? $5. And you thought stadium food was bad? Number 11. Luggage auctions. Lose a bag? It doesn't sit in lost and found forever. Airports auction them. No one checks inside. It's a mystery game. Could be designer clothes. Could be dirty socks. Tag your bag. Lock it. Track it. Or someone else might own it soon. There are entire YouTube channels that buy these mystery bags and unbox them like treasure. Number 12. Secret lounge access. Lounges aren't just for elites. Day passes are a thing. Some credit cards unlock them too. No yearly fee required. Free drinks, quiet seats, outlets, and dignity. Check before your next layover. It might change everything. And in case you're wondering, yes, you can usually bring a guest. Number 13. Padded flight times. We landed early. Not really. Airlines add buffer time to look on time. They plan delays into the schedule so they can say they arrived early. Even when they didn't, it's not early. It's just marketing. The FAA tracks on-time stats, so padding flight times helps keep scores high. Number 14. Sleeping pilots. Your pilot might be asleep. That's good, not bad. On long flights, they rotate rest. One sleeps, one flies. Sometimes autopilot flies. It's regulated, safe, legal. And honestly, you want them well rested. Even the FAA recommends it, because exhaustion kills more flights than turbulence ever could. Number 15. Ghost flights. A flight with no passengers? It's real, and it happens. Airlines fly empty jets. To keep their time slots, it's inefficient, but necessary. If they cancel too many, they lose their place at that airport, so they burn fuel. Just to protect future profits. Some call it corporate waste. Others call it survival. Bonus tip. Bathroom stampede. Plane lands. Seatbelt light dings. Everyone runs to the closest bathroom. Don't do it. It's the dirtiest, busiest restroom. Walk a little further. Find one deeper in the terminal. Cleaner. Calmer. Worth the wait. Also, some hidden restrooms are closer to lounges or quiet gates, and they're basically spa-like. If this helped you dodge a travel fail, smash that subscribe button. We've got more loopholes coming, from free upgrades to secret booking hacks. You won't want to miss it. This is Vacation Loophole, where smart travelers win